Begin by confirming water pipe and power outlet positions for an efficient setup. Next, after unboxing, check all the components are included and undamaged, and then gather the right tools beforehand. Parts and tools are ready, move on to installation. Step 1. Install the countertop. Use a measuring tape and a pencil to mark the desired height about 31 to 35 inches from the floor. Adjust it as needed to place the countertop. Measure the countertop width, find the center point on the wall, and mark 2 points equally spaced on either side. Mark a perpendicular line 1 inch inside each of the 2 points. Drill holes at marked spots and insert expansion screws for stability. Attach brackets, ensuring they're level for stable support. With brackets installed, connect the faucet and pipes. Lift the bathroom vanity and carefully align the slots or holes on the back of the vanity with the brackets. And apply a smooth silicone bead along edges for a watertight seal. Next, connect the hot and cold water pipes. And then move to the mirror cabinet installation. Step 2. Install the mirror. Position the cabinet about 6 inches above the faucet, using a level for proper alignment. Remove the corner covers, drill in designated spots, and secure the cabinet. Plug in the power for any lighting features. With the mirror cabinet in place, proceed to the main cabinet. Step 3. Install the main cabinet. Set an appropriate height to attach the brackets based on the cabinet size. In this video, we marked a height 4 inches from the floor. Then measure cabinet width for anchor points. Then attach the brackets. Insert expansion screws and use the drill to firmly secure each bracket. Next, mount the cabinet. Remove the top-sided drawers. Lift the cabinet onto the brackets and check alignment with a level. Secure the cabinet with screws at each corner. If there's an LED strip at the bottom, plug it in before reattaching the drawers. Installation is complete. Take a final look to ensure everything is secure, level, and connected.